Hey everyone, it's me, Sean Carnage. I've got my cup of cold brew here. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Really excited about the Friday nights at Oracle Tavern that start this coming Friday, September 16th, 2022. We're going to have some unique wristbands that night. It's a Sean Carnage Presents tradition. They're finger crocheted friendship bracelets, and they look something like this. I'm gonna put it near the camera so you can see what's going on. Yeah, isn't that cool? And in honor of Chalky, who's playing this week with Dixo Bunny and Dawn of Sequence and DJ Kyle Mabson, I've made them this sort of funky Frankenstein green. As you can see, they're pretty charming. You know, they've got little imperfections, but you know that's what makes them little artworks, right? A little naughty sometimes, but generally pretty smooth. This finger crochet technique, I don't think it's really any secret, but it was brought to us by Richmond Tan many years ago, and we've continued what he taught us, and those of us who sat at the front door, we've also developed our own speed method for making them, and that's what I'm going to show you here. So you need a couple tools. Well, one, just this one, yeah. And here's your yarn. Pick out a cool color. This is our funky Frankenstein, and I just take this off. I like to work with the yarn that comes from the outside here because if you work from the inside, it's neater. The roll stays together. You can keep this little band on, but it also gets kind of knotty sometimes, so that's not good. So here I'm gonna flip around here. It's very simple. First thing we need to do is we're gonna create a slip knot. Okay, I know that's your favorite band, favorite '90s band. You pinch a length. I like to do from the pinky to the forefinger. That's the length of the string of the yarn, and then you pinch it between your index finger and your thumb, and then you wrap it around two fingers like this, so, and then you bring it through here, right? And then you pull it tight. So there's your slip knot, and guess what? You've already begun finger crocheting. So what I like to do is I like to, let's see, stand up here, put this down. I like to hold the knot between my index finger and my thumb, or my second finger, and then just start pulling links of the yarn through like this, and then you just sort of pull it back and back and back like this. And I will shoot this from above also so you can see how it looks. But basically, you just make row after row of these little knots. Maybe we'll make I don't know, let's try to make 20 of them, okay? It's a good start, right? When you're making a friendship bracelet, well, first off, friendship bracelet, it's circular, so it has a lot of symbolism there about infinity and the unbroken continuity of life and of friendship, and also it's woven just like life is. You know, they say life's a rich tapestry. I'm not really sure what that means, but in this case, the friendship bracelet is a symbol of friendship, which is oftentimes good and bad life experiences woven together by two people. Commercially made wristbands at clubs and things are fine, but the first thing you do after you get out of a concert is you want to take off that scratchy, sweaty thing. Whereas this is something, look at that. This is something that you might want to leave on. I don't like to make the length of the line here, of the row they call it, too long, because some people have different sized wrists. So if you make it too long, if someone has a very petite wrist, you can't get the bracelet properly tight. So about 20 is great. I put my thumb through it here, and I like to then extend it like this, just the length of my fingers. Give it a cut, and then I pull it back through the loop. There's not really any magic there, basically just tying a knot at the end, and voila. And look, I don't know if you can see this, but the tails are basically the same length. So there we go. Then we just add it to our pile. Look at that. And because I'm using the multicolor yarn, it's got this, beautiful gradation between all the different bracelets, and really no two of them are alike. So everyone will get a unique one, and they can say to their friends who didn't go, I got this at Sean Carnage Friday nights at the Oracle Tavern. You should check it out. Hopefully you'll like the show and love the performers. But no matter what, you'll be getting a unique piece of fiber art. And that's always really fun, right? Okay, thanks a lot, and hope to see you at the show. Bye.